Several sources say that Samsung is modifying the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra to mimic the aesthetics of the Galaxy Note 7. This change suggests that we may be saying goodbye to the sharp edges and hello to a more rounded appearance. Initial leaks of the Galaxy S25 Ultra appeared in CAD-based renders in March, and new images showcasing its side profile have surfaced. These latest visuals reveal the device with rounded corners and flat sides, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which features a selfie camera cutout at the top of display. Ice Universe, a tipster, supplied these alleged renders of the iPhone X, which showcase the phone's low bezels and overall striking design. The latest images reveal a more rounded shape than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which could improve comfort when holding the device. Ice Universe earlier said that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a more rounded design, a notable shift for Samsung, which has chosen a boxy style for its S-series Ultra devices since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, Ice warns that the renders may not fully represent all of the design changes. For example, prior leaks said that the side rails would curve towards the rear, a feature that seems to be absent in the current renders, which show totally flat sides. Furthermore, the new images indicate a smaller width, albeit this alteration may not be immediately visible. The frame around the screen is projected to be straightened, lowering the total width from 79mm to 77.6mm and slightly increasing the screen size from 6.79 to 6.86 inches. For those anxiously expecting the flagship release next year, there is good news: it seems to be lighter than its rivals. According to Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. He also revealed on X that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would be lighter than the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is unsurprising considering that the Pixel is made of glass and metal rather than titanium. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.